Wondering why orbital motors of similar models have such big gaps in service life? The key lies in their internal gear set. Take OMP and OMR orbital motors as examples. Both are widely used models, yet they adopt a totally different gear set inside. OMP uses Gerotor set, where OMR uses Geroler set. Let's start with Gerotor gear set. They feature a simple structure where the inner rotor measures directly with the outer stator ring. Its big strengths are high efficiency and smooth operation without extra internal parts. Friction surfaces are minimized, mechanical loss is low, energy conservation efficiency is high, and it runs ultra smoothly at low speed. It works perfectly for equipment requiring long continuous running and excellent low-speed stability, but it has obvious downside. Internal components cannot be replaced separately. If one or damaged, the whole gear set must be swapped out, leading to high maintenance costs. Next up is the Geroler gear set, whose core advantages are long service life and easy maintenance. Built-in rose axle support, drastically reducing directly metal sliding friction. It delivers outstanding wear resistance and long lifespan. Plus, it comes with automatic wear compensation. Only worn parts need replacing when fault occur, making repair simple and low cost. It's ideal for harsh environments with heavy dust and frequent shock loss. Its downside, more contact points create slightly high friction and internal leakage, resulting in marginally low efficiency. It also offers less stable performance under high speed, full high-pressure loads. Which type of gear set do your orbital motors use? Have you run into troublesome issues during maintenance? Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts.